In this video, I am going to share with you the best ways to write your Upwork portfolio in order to win amazing jobs on Upwork. If this sounds like what you are interested in, then you must watch this video because I'm going to share a lot of values in this video. Hello, my name is Teresa. If this is your first time of seeing me on YouTube, then be rest assured that on this channel I share valuable information about freelancing, make money online, and all other online businesses that you can start today, and in the next 6 months or 1 year you are not able to recognize yourself financially. If this sounds like what you're interested in, then you might want to hit on the subscription button below, turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a new video. And not only that, make sure you engage actively on this community because I am building a community of individuals who are interested in changing their financial stories this year, and we're going to make it happen. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can build an excellent Upwork portfolio that will convince any clients to give you the job you need from them. Of course, you know that on Upwork, the number one thing that counts is your portfolio. How strong is your portfolio? If you have a weak portfolio, then the clients will think that this person does not have any experience, and so they will end up not hiring you. It's an international platform, and if you want to stand out, then you must have a strong portfolio to show that you know exactly what you are doing. The next question that a lot of people want to ask, what is portfolio? If you are new in freelancing or if you just started freelancing, portfolio is the number one thing that will make you stand out as a freelancer. If you've learned a skill, the next thing you will need to do is to have a portfolio of that skill. And what is portfolio? Portfolio is just that thing you show to a client that tells them that, oh, this person knows what they are doing. If I'm a graphic designer, for instance, my portfolio are graphic designs of jobs I've done for people. Logos are designed for people. Social media campaigns I've designed for people. And the free other thing I've designed for people. Put together in one place so that when a client comes to me and asks, do you know how to do these things? I just simply show them, this is my portfolio. I've designed this thing for this person. I've designed this one for this person. And I've put all of them together in this place. So these clients can go through it and see that you know exactly what you're doing. Another example is if I am a content writer, a blog article writer, and I want to show a client that I've written articles before and I know exactly how to write this article. I'm going to go gather all the articles I've written for people in the past, and I'm going to put them in one place. And once I put them in one place, I can show a client that this is what I've written before, this is what I've written before. So when they go through it and they see that I know exactly what I am doing, they will be able to hire me. Recently, I hired a writer for my blog, and the first question I asked is, can I see your portfolio? And this writer sent me a Google document showing every article she has written in the past, and at the end of the day I hired her because I've seen what she was capable of doing in the past. So I gave her like a work for her to do for me. If you don't have a portfolio as a freelancer, I am sorry to disappoint you, but it will be a little difficult for you to get a job for yourself. And this is where the frustration starts. A lot of you may be asking, so if I don't have a job or if I haven't done a job before, how do I get a portfolio? Right. This is the reason why I'm making this video, to show you exactly how you can create a portfolio for yourself. Even if you've not done any job in the past before, it is still doable. And then we're going to start from you learning the actual skill. If you're saying you're a content writer, I want to assume that you already know the skills of a content writer and how to write content. If you're saying you're a graphic designer, I want to assume that you already know how to design graphics and you're going to go ahead and design graphics for people. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you're going to create your portfolio even if you have no experience, even if you have not done any job for anybody. This is a course that I've sold for thousands of naira, and I'm giving it to you exactly for free. Those people who bought this might get jealous, I don't know, but I am going to give it to you for free. And if this sounds like what you want to get access to for free in this video, I'm going to jump right straight into my laptop, and I'm going to use content writers as a sample to show you how you can create your own portfolio. And after that, I'm going to show you also how you can create your own portfolio for graphic designers. So these two people are the people we are going to use as samples in this video. Let's head straight into my laptop. Right here we're on my laptop, and like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your Upwork portfolio and start getting clients to work with you as fast as possible, even if you have no experience or you've not worked for anybody before. Now, the number one way for you to get a portfolio is to work for people, right? But if you're just starting out, you may not have somebody to work for, or you may not have an opportunity to work for anybody because nobody trusts you and nobody knows that you can do this thing. And number one way to go about that is to, maybe if you have family or friends who are into the kind of business or the kind of things you want to offer services for, you can approach them and tell them that you can do these things for them for free. Although I don't advise people working for free, but sometimes it's better, especially when you're trying to pick yourself up as a beginner freelancer and you have no experience. So you can offer to help your family or your friends work on something. A major example I like to give is maybe for social media managers who are looking to create their own portfolios and you have nobody to hire you. For you to get that experience and that portfolio, you can approach your family or your friends who have businesses on Instagram or on Facebook or on Twitter, and you can offer to manage their social media pages for them. To even ensure that you don't work for free totally, you can propose a revenue share model to them where you get to share revenue for the month. If you help them bring customers to their social media pages and manage their pages effectively, they can agree to give you a certain percentage of the amount they earn every month. All right, that is if you're dealing with somebody who is trustworthy anyway. So that is number one way. But what if you don't have friends or family, or you don't have anybody to work for in order to gain that initial experience and build up your portfolio? For this video, I am going to use two major people to, show you how to do this. Especially the number one people I want to use is content writers, people who write articles. The articles you see on Google, on blogs, on websites, the people who write it are called content writers. So if you're a content writer, I want to use your skill or your service as an example. So what you can do is to create an imaginary project. You already know how to do this. So for people to trust you, you have to show them that you know how to do this, okay? Since you already know how to write blog articles or website articles or articles to be published on Google, then you're going to go ahead and write articles. You're going to think about topics in your head and create articles around this topic. So let's assume you're just starting out as a content writer. I expect you to write at least 10 articles, all right, or 5, 10 at least, 10 articles, and put them together as your portfolio, so that when anybody asks you, where is your portfolio, what have you done before, you can grab the link and give it to them. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we're on Google right now. If you don't know topics to write about, before you say you're a content writer, you must have niche. Either you're writing in the health niche or business niche or pet niche or any other niche at all. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use like the health niche as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Docs, right? So this is my Google Docs where I want to write the articles or the blog post. So writing a blog post will take me at least 2 or 3 hours at least to write, not to talk more of editing. I'm not going to do that in this video. I've already written the article I want to publish. So I'm just going to go ahead, paste it here. This is something I've written, and for you, you're going to think about a topic that you can write for. And this one I wrote amazing health benefit of Ashipatika tuna. This is an article like you can search for on Google and people will read these articles. I've added an image. So I've written these articles and I've edited it. So basically what you're going to do is write these articles, edit it, add images. I've written 8 pages. You can write as much as you want. This is basically it. You have to just write the articles, edit it. Once you've written these articles, you can either share it from here. Once you click on the share button, you can be able to copy the link. Once you copy this link, you can give it to somebody as your portfolio, right? And that person would be able to click on that link. Once someone asks you, where is your portfolio, you can go ahead and share this link to them. That link I just copied now, pasted here. So I'm just going to click on enter and we'll see if we can find it. That's the article we just wrote here. Once you've written the articles, Once you put it on your Google Docs, you can click on the share button here, right here, and you can copy the link. Once you click on the share button right here, you copy the link. And once you've copied the link, you can share it to your clients, to your impending clients, and show them that this is what you've done. So this is a sample for content writers. The next people I want to talk about is the graphic designers. As a graphic designer, one of the best places to showcase your talents or your jobs or things you've done in the past is on a website called Behance. Okay, www.behance.net. So once you go to Google and search www.behance.net, it will bring you up to this website. So it says build a portfolio website in minutes, free with Creative Cloud, import Behance projects into portfolio website, build up to 5 sites. So on this platform, you can create your own portfolio. You can also discover other people, other graphic designers, other creatives, jobs, things they've been doing, things they've done. In this way, you can gain more inspiration about your future designs or designs you're working on. You can also do live stream sessions, right? You can live stream the job you're doing. Like if you're designing a project, you can go live on Behance. And what this does is that it enables you to broadcast your design or your talent to a whole lot of people from all over the world, and they can watch your live streams and see what you're doing. And from there, you can even get hired. And of course, on Behance, you can also find jobs. There are jobs you can find on Behance, like you have like freelance jobs from all over the world, anywhere you are, remote jobs that you can do as a graphic designer on this platform, and you can apply for this job. What it does for you on this platform is that you already have your portfolio on this platform. So what you only do is to apply to these jobs, and then when they look through your portfolio and see that you are doing a really great job, they can hire you. Having seen that, the next thing you want to do is, if you have an account, you can log in from this place. In case you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and create an account. To sign up, you can just go ahead and sign up. To sign up, you just need an email address or a Google account. So in case you don't have an account already, you can just go ahead and go through all these steps. Put your email address, your first name, your date of birth, blah blah blah, and then sign up. But I think I already have an account on this platform, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google and sign in. So like I told you, right here, you're going to see like people's work in progress for today, the jobs people are doing in progress, and they are showing it like live. All right, you can add your own jobs here. You can click on this plus sign and you'll be able to add your own jobs on the works people are doing today. And right here, you can, like I told you, you can find jobs from this place. This is what the Behance platform looks like. These are what fellow designers, graphic designers are doing, and these are things they've designed. You can go through all of this place in order to gain inspiration about your own projects or the projects you have at hand or the projects you're going to do in the future. This is where you're going to add your portfolio from. As a graphic designer, I want to assume that you already have designs you've done in the past, or you already have jobs you've done in the past, or you've already created imaginary graphic design projects that you're going to add on Behance. So what you're going to go ahead and do is to just go here, right? Go here and click on projects. Right, so you know how to build a case study to showcase things you've done in the past. So once you click on this build a project, a complete case study, you're going to go ahead and add images or the graphic designs you've done and the stages it took you to do these graphic designs, all right, from beginning to end. What happens is that once you're able to share your project, at the end of the day, you can get the link, you can get your Behance link, and once anybody asks you for your portfolio, you give them the link. Once they click on it, they land on your Behance portfolio and they can be able to see write what you've done. What I want you to do right now is, if you're a graphic designer, you can just go ahead to Behance and play around the website, upload your graphics, the graphics you've done in the past, and then get the link so that once people click on it, they'll be able to find your work and things you've done in the past. Now that we've learned how to create a portfolio on Upwork, even if you don't have any experience, even if you've not done any job before, I want to know if you learned something in this video, and if you found this video valuable. You can only do 2 things for me, just 2 things for me. If you consider this video valuable, you're going to do just 2 things for me. Number 1 is to head over to the comment section and pour out your heart about this video, what you like about this video, what you don't like about this video, what you want me to do to improve my next video for you. And secondly, I want you to click on the subscription button right here, turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a new video. And of course, click on the like button and the share button to share this video with your family and your friends who are interested in learning about freelancing, online businesses, and exactly how they can monetize their skills and start making money online. And I look forward to having you around all the time. And if you want to become a virtual assistant, I've made a video last few months about virtual assistant, how you can become a virtual assistant in Nigeria as simple as ABC. I'm going to link that video right up here, and you're going to go ahead and watch that video because it is packed with knowledge that will help you improve your finances this year.